In this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate by using the Displace modifier. Create a UV sphere and add the Displace modifier. Add a new texture and go to the Texture tab. Select Distorted Noise. This mesh alone would make a good abstract art. Let's add a texture. Press Ctrl+3 to subdivide. On frame 1 and 250, hover your mouse here and press I as in India to set a keyframe. On frame 125, change the amount to 10 and set a keyframe once again. This is the end of the Displace modifier animation tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.